Hey guys, I know I've been doing a lot of unboxing videos, but since Christmas just came around, I have a couple cars to unbox. So today we're unboxing this Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. So let's get right into it, I just want to say it's a pretty beautiful car. The rims are really nice right now. And, it's in the Hot Wheels Exotics. It's a 10 out of 10, as you see. And it's really cool. So let's get to unboxing. Let's unbox. Ooh, got that nice. It's really nice. It's not super smooth. Oh, look at that. Got those nice vents for cooling the engine right there. Could be fake. I don't know a ton about Lamborghini. I'm not a Lamborghini kid. But, it's really cool. And again, I can use this in some of my stunt missions. And let's get a cool scenic view around it. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next video. Goodbye.